located here in Fanwood on Terrill Road. We offer convenient, affordable chiropractic care to the neighborhood. What we have today is my good friend B. B's been coming in for the past year with different things, neck pain, back pain. She's a competitive bodybuilder. She also has her own business in town. If any of you guys are looking for personal training, individualized group, nutritional counseling, contest prep, she does it all. You can check out her website at prettybeastmode.com. Okay? All right, you ready to get started?
I am.
So we're just gonna do a typical treatment for V today. She pops in every so often, whether it's for some minor aches of pain or recovery or contest prep as well. So we're gonna just do her treatment today on camera and we'll see how she does with it. Excellent. All right, so face down. Okay, V's been adjusted probably about a half a dozen times here at the office. She does really well with her adjustments. Sometimes it's her back. Today it's her neck and shoulders, so we're going to focus on that. We will treat her back as well if it's needed. But we're just going to go and remove any imbalances to her spine today. So we're going to start by just loosening up with the percussor. Percussor again is to loosen up some tight tissue, bring some more range of motion. It helps by increasing blood flow to the tissue, more circulation, better healing, all that great stuff. I'm going to go into her lower back, into her glutes on this right side here. See she has a little bit of restriction here across the right glute. Is that pressure okay, V?
Yes.
Great.
Feels good.
Patients generally love the percussor. We can offer different pressure. We can go really deep. We can go nice and loose and more superficial. But if we want to focus on a single area, we'll just put a little more pressure, a little more speed into that area to just break it up. And now we're going to go into the neck and shoulders as well, our traps. All the heavy training that V does. I'm sure she does 2 a days, some days, and a lot of breaking up of that muscle tissue and repairing it, building it. So we're just helping with that process. Okay, so why don't you just take a deep breath in for me? All the way out, let it go. Good, one more time. All the way out, let it go. Okay, we're going to lay your side with this side up piece. So she definitely has a lot of tightness across the shoulder blades there. We're going to do a few things to loosen it up today. I'm a little bit closer to the edge. There you go, like that. And we're just going to pull this arm through. Good. Excellent. Good. Flip on to the other side.
Ooh, that felt good.
Just getting things mobilized, getting things balanced. Come a little closer again. Okay, now we're going to lay on your back and then scoot down a little bit and bend your knees, looks like you had them. And you're going to cross your arms. I'm going to try to get over these big guns and see what I can do here to loosen up that mid back and trap area. Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Good, again, all the way out. Perfect. All right,
Ooh.
relax. Okay, come up a little bit on the table for me. Breathe through it. Excellent. Same thing on this side. Good. Different angle here. Good. Things are moving better.
Snap, crackle, pop.
Everything's mobilized. All right, you can sit up facing this way. And we're gonna do a little bit more work on those straps there. Perfect, excellent. So what I want you to do is, I'm just gonna pull this right trap back. What I want you to turn your head as far as you can to the right. There you go. So keep going, keep going, keep going. Now back to the center. Okay, we're gonna get a little more of a tug on there. And again. Good. Back. Okay, good. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Good. All the way to the left. Good. Just releasing that tension in there. And again. Good. Relax. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have you push your arm across here. Okay, mobilize that side. Nice and slow. You're gonna do 5 times. Good. Good. Work through that. Excellent. One more time. Good. Excellent. We'll do the same thing on this side. Bounce here, across, like that, and then come back. Good. Good. More times. Good. One more time. Good. Okay, and let's stand up. Let's check your posture, your alignment. Make sure things are balanced from the side and the front. Looking pretty good. Now from the front. Okay, what I'd like for you to do is I'd like for you to just kind of tilt your body over to the left of me. And we're going to come around here, use our instrument. What we're doing is stimulating some of the receptors in the joints, control posture and alignment, trying to get things more aligned. Okay, now you can have a seat. And we're going to do the same thing. What you're going to do is you're going to retract your shoulder blades like that. Open there, squeeze the muscles together. Good. And then we're going to do the same thing back here. Come back. Excellent. Back to the center. Relax everything. Good. How does that feel?
Good.
All right, great. So that's our adjustment today and treatment with V. You wanted to share a couple of words about the office?
Yes. I mean, I feel like $1,000,000 every time I leave. Like, I feel good already. So it really does make a difference. And I remember one time where I kind of strained myself just doing a pose. And I came to see him and he did some treatments and I started feeling a lot better. So definitely is a definitely needed service, even for a lifestyle person, just trying to maintain their results and be healthy, or even a competitor. So it really is something that anybody can definitely use.
Thanks for those kind words, V.
Absolutely.
Excellent. If you like the video, click like, share, post it to Facebook, Instagram. You can check us out on YouTube. For more information about the practice, what we do, the services we offer, you can check out fanwoodbackrelief.com. Any questions, obviously, you can call the office or email as well. Everything's on the website. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.